Centralize fuel benchmark rates for accurate trade valuation. Platts management begins in the trade module to centralize benchmark fuel pricing for operational and regulatory use. The Platts management menu provides access to historical and current market pricing records. Centralized indexing ensures consistent and transparent pricing across all fuel procurement and valuation processes. The date field specifies the effective period for the benchmark rates. Currency selection defines the financial denomination applied to all product rates. For each white product, the module captures the prevailing market benchmark rate for accurate valuation and reporting. Notes provide contextual details, including market conditions or special pricing considerations. Attachments offer a secure repository for official pricing source documents, such as circulars or notifications. Submitting and finalizing the entry records the benchmark rates within the system for operational use. This process ensures transparent pricing, supports financial reporting, and enables automated calculations across procurement workflows. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.